Welcome to ACCAT tutorial how to create a knurling screw. So let us start. First up, select a sketch, select front plane, draw a circle, enter dimension, so select a smart dimension, okay, enter dimension 100 mm, enter, okay. We are going to feature and select extrude boss base, extrude 60 mm, okay. Select, go to a sketch, select convert entity and convert, okay, and select boss extrude, go to normal. We are going to feature and select curves, helix, select reverse direction, select decrease revolution, increase pitch, okay. Select go to a sketch, select center, select line and draw line, okay. Select, फिर again select mirror entity, select all, select line, okay. Go to back and select feature, select sweep cut, select diagram mid plane and select line, go to back, go to a sketch, edit, select trim entity, trim line, okay. Go to back and select feature, select sweep cut, select line, so go to back and select a sketch, edit, go to trim, okay, and select 3-point arc, okay. Select, go to back, again select sweep cut, okay. Select this face, go to a sketch, draw a circle, select, go to feature, select helix, select counterclockwise. Okay, again select this face, go to a sketch, draw a triangle, select. Okay, again select mirror entity, select all, select mid plane. Okay, go to normal, select. Okay, select line horizontal. Okay, go to add relation, select relation, select this point to this line. Okay, select trim entity, trim. Okay, select 3-point arc, draw 3-point arc. Go to back, go to feature, extrude cut. Okay, apply chamfer, select line, back, enter 0.2 mm. Okay, again select circular pattern. Okay, select circular pattern, select, again select face. Okay, hide, helix hide. Okay, select this side, draw a circle, center circle. So select center circle, Draw interdimension. Delete. Again select center circle and draw center circle. Select OK. Go to feature and extrude cut. 30 mm. OK. Go to features, apply thread. OK. Again select this side, go to a sketch. We are going to ribbon area and select poly, polygon triangle, 4 angle, 6 angle. OK. Length size. Draw a select extrude cut. Go to feature, extrude cut. 20 mm. OK. Go to a sketch and draw a circle. OK. Go to feature, extrude cut. OK. Searching.